you know the exact number of calls that never reach your agents? Can you identify the reasons why? For every call if needed? Can you see all statistics on virtual and ACD queues dynamically in any time interval? This application will show you how calls travel through your queues and will help you analyze your lost, abandoned, or delayed calls, identify the causes, discover routing flaws, and optimize your call center to maximum efficiency. In this example, we have a group of 57 Avaya VDNs. We have the date and time selected and show data in 30-minute intervals. We can change the interval to 1 hour and view all groups. The summary report shows the number of calls entered, answered, and abandoned during the selected hour. The abandoned calls in this example are 38% of the total. Call handling report shows the names of agents who received calls from all queues that belong to the selected group. We can see key statistics, including average handle time. The application report shows statistics that are slightly different from the call handling report. The numbers and calculations can be tailored for your business in this and any other report in this application. The voice traffic report shows max to answer, max to abandoned, abandoned while ringing, and short abandoned calls within the specific threshold, which is currently set to 50 seconds. Speed to answer report shows how fast calls are reaching agents. Calls are broken down by length of time from less than 10 seconds to over 2 minutes wait time. Currently, the time interval is set to 1 hour, and we can see that between 11 a.m. and noon, we had 18 out of 125 calls that took more than 2 minutes to reach an agent. Now we change the time interval to 15 minutes. Note how fast the data is recalculated. Now we can drill down to see that 13 calls took too long to reach the agent between 11 and 11:15 a.m. Such instant updates are impossible to achieve with any Genesys or Cisco tools. It should also be noted that the size of our database is less than 10% of historical databases that must be maintained for Genesys or Cisco solutions. The abandoned delay report shows the volume of abandoned calls broken down by length of time. Suppose you need to go back in time and see how calls traveled through these queues on a certain date within the specified interval. You may view this historical activity as if it is happening in real time, and this can be done in just a few clicks. The start time is 9 a.m. The time interval is 1 hour. Here, you may see, for example, the rate of abandoned calls as it was happening on the selected date. Now we will show you the level of detail of the data we collect that will help you customize your routing strategies. We select a specific queue, and you may see how each call traveled through your routing queue by queue, as well as what agent handled the call, including DNIS and ANI. We may also use the linear representation of call data for an individual queue or for the entire group of queues. This universal reporting solution can be installed and fully operational within 2 weeks and can be fully customized based on your specific business needs.